4 steps to become faster without buying a bunch of expensive equipment. Look, speed is very hard. Speed is very hard to improve. Okay, there's this idea that you can't get faster and genetics dictate how fast you are. Okay, but this is the problem. That's really not true. But there are things that happen during speed development that a lot of people don't understand, and it affects their ability to actually get faster. Things like they don't understand the stages of a linear sprint. They don't even understand that there are stages to a linear sprint. They just go out and run. They don't realize that there are ways to manipulate your stride to actually become faster. They don't have any clue on how to do it or even what it is. They don't know about the strategies that actually work to help you maximize your speed. Okay, there's a bunch of random stuff being thrown around. Things like doing a bunch of hill sprints, doing a bunch of things like running on a trampoline. Have you ever seen somebody run on a trampoline? I've seen somebody run on a trampoline, and it's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Okay, and things like this are actually holding athletes back from becoming faster because there are no real strategies. And then they don't understand the importance behind a system to actually develop speed, and that there is even a system that you need to do to develop speed. When a skilled athlete lacks speed, they are always overlooked when compared to an athlete that is less skilled but with more speed. More speed allows an athlete to make up for their mistakes. Where a skilled athlete with less speed, they might make a few less mistakes than this athlete with speed, but the athlete with speed is automatically going to get more opportunities if we're comparing one person to the next. And when this happens, if you are that athlete that is not speed, that does not have speed, but is skilled, you are going to be the one that does not end up with the scholarship that you've been looking for. It's going to be the athlete that's faster than you. And this is a problem. But there's actually this opportunity for you to not have that happen to you. For you to be able to maximize your speed and become the fastest, most athletic athlete that you can possibly become. There's possibility of understanding what the 4 stages of speed are. And we're gonna break this down for you. You're gonna realize that there are 3 ways to truly manipulate your stride to help get you faster. You're also gonna learn how to implement proven strategies that actually allow you to get faster. Things that actually work for you. The things that I've seen work over the years. I've been in this for 16 years, and I have seen athletes get faster by using these same techniques that I used 16 years ago. We've added more things. We've added more detail to it, but a lot of the same things that I learned when I first got into this field are the same things we're using today. And because of this, because you have a system in place, because you have something that actually works, it's going to give you a higher chance of earning that scholarship that you actually want because you're faster. And not just earning a scholarship just because it's a scholarship, an actual scholarship that you want. Okay? And how do we do this? We do this through our Speed Manipulator Formula. Okay? And this is broken down into 4 principles. Okay, these 4 principles. Principle number 1 is stages. Okay, and we have 4 stages here. We have our start. We have our acceleration stage. We have our transitional stage. And we have our max velocity stage. When you understand these 4 stages for a linear sprint, you automatically will get faster because you know how to actually run. Okay, and then number 2 would be our strides. So we have our stride length, our stride frequency, and then force application. Okay. Stride length is how long your stride is. Stride frequency is your stride turnover. Force application is how much force and what direction you apply force into. And then we have our strategies. Okay, so strategies, things like open hands, arm swing, neutral spine, drawn in core, and dorsiflexion of the toes. These are all different strategies that we use to help you maximize your speed. And all of this is different. So what I do might be different than what you do. More than likely will be different than what you do. But we manipulate these to make sure that you are getting as fast as possible. And then, last but not least, would be our systems. Having one big system, okay? But different things involved in the system, like resisted sprinting, overspeed training, mechanical work, and then post-activation potentiation. These 4 principles are the things that will help you maximize your speed and become the fastest athlete that you could possibly become. Okay? And with this, I want you to make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get more information like this that's going to help you become the best athlete possible. Also, what I want you to do is I want you to go into the description and click on the link to join our XPA Foundations program. Now, you'll have to fill out an application to join our XPA Foundations program, but during the XPA Foundations program, this is where we begin to implement the Speed Manipulator Formula that will help you become the fastest athlete that you've ever been before. And it's absolutely free. It's free, and you have an opportunity to win $500 on top of that. And it can be done anywhere. It doesn't have to be just in my presence. You can do it anywhere. It's virtual, absolutely free. So go and click the link and sign up now.